Hi there, this is David Whitaker with a video of how to watch an auction without having to register to bid. This is a great video if you are a seller or just someone that would like to check out land prices. So first, go to our website, wmgauction.com or iowalandguy.com. And when you get to that page, whatever the featured auction is for the day will, if you just scroll right down, should be the first one under featured auctions in real estate. They go by timeline and date. You can either click the picture or you can click the view property details button. And notice at the top, I am not logged in, so you don't need an account. There's a blue bar at the top that says enter this auction. When it is live, when there's online bidding, there's an enter auction button right there. Okay, so you can still read through all the details and whatnot, but I'm going to click enter auction. It's going to take you right to the online bidding simulcast portion. It shows what lot is in the ring. It shows what the current bid amount is on the right side, and shows who's winning, the live bidder in the crowd. If you'd like to watch the video feed, you click right up here where it says click here to view live stream. And then you will see a live stream of the auction and be able to hear the audio of the auctioneer. So you'll be able to see and hear the live stream as well as see where the current bid is on the right side, right here. You do not need to log in to see or watch the auction. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.